Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the greatness of ancient Egyptian warfare. The Battle of Megiddo, fought in 1457 BC, stands as one of the earliest recorded military engagements, establishing a touchstone for ancient warfare. This conflict involved Egyptian forces, led by Pharaoh Thutmose III, and an insurrectionist alliance of Canaanite city-states spearheaded by the king of Kadesh. The cause of the confrontation was fundamentally rooted in the desire of Thutmose III to reassert Egyptian authority over Canaan, a vital land for maintaining the empire's trade routes and political influence. Thutmose III ascended to the throne at a time when the Assyrian-influenced king of Kadesh sought to sever ties with Egypt. The king of Kadesh initiated a coalition with other Canaanite rulers to revolt against Egyptian hegemony. The Canaanites stationed themselves in the strategic fortress town of Megiddo, an advantageous location due to its position along key trade routes and its natural fortifications. The Egyptians, renowned for their organizational military prowess, were commanded by Thutmose III to advance northward, requiring an approach through the treacherous terrain of the Carmel Mountain passes. Thutmose took a bold risk, choosing the most direct and narrow route, catching the Canaanites off guard. A less cautious general might have chosen a longer but safer route, but Thutmose's daring maneuver enabled him to deploy his forces rapidly and with the element of surprise. The Egyptian army was organized meticulously, utilizing chariots equipped with archers for mobility and shock power. The clash ensued fiercely, with Egyptians executing a direct assault on the Canaanite coalition. Thutmose exhibited acute strategic acumen, orchestrating a pincer movement to envelop his enemies, causing the coalition forces to retreat hastily towards Megiddo's fortified walls. The retreat became notorious for congestion, which allowed Egyptian forces to capture fleeing soldiers and significant amounts of equipment. The victory at Megiddo had profound consequences, signifying Egypt's dominance over the Canaanite territories, restoring and expanding its sphere of influence. Thutmose extracted rich booty, including cattle, armor, and precious metals, contributing to the prosperity and stability of Egypt's new kingdom. Strategic repercussions included the solidification of trade routes essential for economic growth and the deterrent effect on would-be insurrections. Additionally, this battle is a remarkable early example of recorded logistics, as Thutmose's scribes meticulously documented the preparations and outcome, highlighting the importance of administrative support to military success. In the grand tapestry of ancient history, the Battle of Megiddo is a tale of audacious strategy, showcasing Thutmose III's capabilities as a military leader and his definitive role in shaping the legacy of ancient Egypt's imperial might.